Find the common factors of 4 and 8. So, we can find the factors of 4. 1 and 4 are factors because 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 is a factor because 2 times 2 is 4. Now, factors of 8, we have 1 and 8, and we have 2 and 4. So the common factors of 4 and 8 are 1, 2 and 4. And we can say that 4 is the highest common factor of 4 and 8. Now notice, all of the factors of 4 are also factors of 8, and that's because 8 is double 4. Now let's find the common factors of 22 and 33. 1 and 22 are factors of 22, and 2 and 11 are also factors of 22 because 2 times 11 is 22. Now, for factors of 33, we have 1 and 33 because 1 times 33 is 33, and we have 3 and 11 because 3 times 11 is 33. So the common factors are 1 and 11 because 1 and 11 are factors of both numbers, and we can say that 11 is the highest common factor of 22 and 33. Now find the common factors of 21 and 56. So 1 and 21 are factors of 21, and so are 3 and 7. Now for factors of 56, we have 1 and 56. We have 2 and 28, because 2 times 28 is 56, and we can tell that because 56 divided by 2 is 28. 4 and 14 are also factors, because 56 divided by 14 is 4. 7 and 8 are also factors. So the common factors of 21 and 56 are 1 and 7, because 1 and 7 are factors of both numbers. So the highest common factor of 21 and 56 is 7.